All right, this is a 44-inch Hunter Bartlett ceiling fan. This is installed in the basement living room at the house that we were remodeling. There's the Hunter Antero over there, and then put this one up today. And we had to get this. We couldn't get any more Anteros on Amazon because, like I said, we had to send a couple of the Anteros back because they didn't come with all their parts, and couldn't find any more Anteros. So we got a couple. We had to get a couple of these. One is on the third. There's this one, and then the other's on the third floor. I'm going to get to that later. But anyway, they looked very similar. Just the blades are a little more square, and the globe is a little more kind of square, I guess. Not square, but you know what I mean. So it's just a little bit different, but most people probably couldn't tell the difference between the fans. So yeah, here's the light. Yep, just got something real close to the same. It's all we could do. Is it just me, or is that a very slow low speed? That is a pretty slow low speed right there. Yeah, that is an awfully slow low speed right there. Wow. I mean, it's blowing air. You know, that's the main thing, is that it blows air. Of course, these ceilings are only like, I don't know how tall these ceilings are. They're like 7.5-foot ceilings probably. So, since it's not that far from the ground, you can feel air from it, even if it is slow. Got a little wobble to it. It's blowing air though, that's the main thing, is that it blows air. Just blowing the bag on top of the water heater. Maybe right about there's where the spinner fan used to be. Not sure. This fan, about where this fan is, this is about where the old staircase used to come in right here. Of course, we moved it over there. We moved both the staircases. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.